What's up guys, it's been so hard to find a mountain bike this year. So what we got today is the Nukeproof Scout 27.5 inch tires.
Maxxis Minion DHF 2.6 in the front tire. Some assembly tools, stickers, random papers. Up front we have a RockShox Recon RL 140mm travel. Nukeproof Neutron 800mm handlebars with a 45mm stem. We have the Shimano RT56 180mm rotor, Shimano MT400 brakes. We've got the Suntour Xeron 170mm 32 teeth crankset. Back at the shifter we have the Shimano M6000 Dior 10-speed.
There it is folks, all assembled, the Nukeproof Scout 27.5 inch tires. How to assemble it from the box. So next we're going to not take it outside because it's currently pouring, and we'll get back to you on that.